We're here at First Bank of Texas, or whatever it is, here in Midland, Texas. Very fancy. Let's go to the basement. Whatever you want. Dover. Mod. The innovation. Slow as heck. Just opens up. What's this opens office? Innovation. Copy mod, that's interesting. Mirror inside. Hi. Tall elevators. But they're nothing too exciting. It's a copy mod with innovation stuff. It's simply double track. Very nice modern lobby. Look at the elevator. Like those lanterns. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.